In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Play Store something went wrong problem. So whether you try to open Play Store and you get this error message, or you try to install something from Play Store and you get this error message, then this video will give you a guide to solve that problem. So I'll be walking you through different solutions, so make sure to follow each and every step. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. With that being said, let's begin. So guys, the first method is to check the date and time. Now to do so, open your phone settings. Now make sure you scroll down and tap on System. Now tap on Date and Time. Now guys, make sure the date and time zone are set automatically by turning them on. So guys, by doing that, you can now go ahead and open your Play Store application to see if the error has gone away. Now the second method is to clear Play Store data. Now to do so, open your phone settings once more. Scroll down to Apps. Now select See All Apps. Now locate Play Store. Now tap on Storage and make sure you clear cache and storage. And now you can go ahead and try to open your Play Store application. Now the third method is to uninstall updates on Google Play Store. Now to do so, tap and hold on the Play Store application. Now tap on App Info. Now tap on those three dots at the top right corner and then select Uninstall Updates and then press OK. So by doing that, you can now go ahead and open your Play Store application to see if the error has gone away. Now here on the fourth method is to check network connection. Now to do so, make sure you turn on and off your data or Wi-Fi or use another network, or you can turn on and off your airplane mode or restart your device to reconnect to internet. So guys, with those solutions that are shown in this video, you can now go ahead and open your Play Store application, and this time the error message should disappear. So that's all it takes for you to fix Play Store something went wrong problem. So if you find value in today's video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon for more videos. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.